Alright guys, welcome back. It's another beautiful day in the SIPP. Sun shining, t-shirt weather. But anyway, today we're gonna move some cows. I got 5 first calf heifers that I've been feeding a little bit because they got thin on me, and they're back in shape, and I'm gonna move them back with the main herd. So take a little time and move them from 2 or 3 pastures down. But anyway, we'll get them all together and we can go back to being cows. Alright guys, so I got this group of cows in the corral. First thing I got to do is separate those 5 heifers out from the 2 bulls and a older cow that I want to keep. So get them separated out, and then we can move them across the driveway. Here you see I'm using a sorting stick. It's not to hit the cows with, or it's just to give myself a little extra length, so when they do try to run past me, I can extend it out in front of them and make them turn around and go back in the corral. So. Alright guys, so now we're going to move these cows across the driveway. I got a gap in the fence, and I basically just put 2 hot wire up on both sides of the gap so they won't try to go up the driveway on me. These girls, they're used to getting fed every day, so if you got a feed bucket, they'll pretty much follow you anywhere you want to go. But the hot wire is just a little insurance. Sometimes they're curious when they move across the driveway or into a new pasture, and they may go across and one may come back. So the hot wire just kind of keeps them from going up the driveway on me. Alright guys, so what I'm doing here is I'm gonna bring the main herd back under the road and let them join the heifers. And once they get acquainted, then I'll move them all back underneath the road to the other side of the pasture. I've got acreage on both sides of the road, and this is just a big culvert that runs between 2 pastures underneath the county road. So I knew the heifers would be kind of hesitant to go through the tunnel. They hadn't been through the tunnel in a while, so if I brought the main herd over to them and then moved them all back over together, it would just be easier. Alright, so I got them all together, and I'm gonna let them get acquainted with each other, and then we'll go back a little later on and move them back across the road where we're feeding hay.